Beats, we got Phoenix Flames, we got Lincoln the Crux, and we got DJ D Live are the final four producers in the battle tonight. So Ryno Beats and Phoenix Flame are the first matchup, one beat apiece. Ryno Beats is going first. This beat is called Metal, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. Maybe he's sampling some Led Zeppelin or some Iron Maiden or something like that, Black Sabbath. Let's see what it sounds like. Metal. First and only beat from Ryno Beats, third round. Let's do it.
Yo, what's up, Ryno?
All right, we got our metal. Got that metal out of our system that we wanted to hear. Shout out to Ryno Beats. Shout out to Ryno Beats. That was Houston, Texas. I don't think of metal when I think of Houston, Texas, but that was dope regardless. So shout out to Ryno Beats. Phoenix Flames, let's see what you got to say with this beat, bringing that Shaka Zulu vibe to seal the deal. We're going to find out. This beat is called So What? So shout out to Phoenix Flames. So what you saying? EPMD style. 60 seconds. Let's do it. Taking you to metal class, we taking you to church. Yo, it's you never know what you're gonna expect. Beat Economy 200. This is how we do it every week, every Thursday, Sunday, whatever day, whatever time. We taking you to metal class. We taking you to church. We taking you to church on Thursday. Messing with that. All right, let's go to the polls and see who got this one. Is it the Metal Man or is it Joshua? Let's get it. Polls are open. Get your vote in. Get your vote in, and see who of these two producers is going to the finals tonight. All right, hold up. Chino 65. We gotta do this one over real quick. We just got to make sure everything is everything. So we got to check something out real quick. All right. So we're going to do that poll one more time. 650 Chino, shout out to you. Well, we can't have you vote in this one. It's only the 11 judges. So we're going to ask everyone to vote one more time. We just got to make sure everything is what it is. It's very close. It was very, very close. But we just got to make sure it's official. For anybody joining late, there's 11 hand-picked judges, randomly picked. So we only want their votes in to determine who got this one. So all the judges who just voted, please vote again. Vote for the same person. If you change your mind, it's on you, but just vote. We just got to make sure it's only those 11 judges that vote Those are the only ones that actually count. We didn't get all this far to have it screw up, so we got to make sure it's official, it's transparent, it's clear for all to see. All right, we waiting on 2 more judges. Get your votes in. You just voted, so just vote again. It's real close, but we need the final 2 judges to do their thing. We are almost down to the final 2 producers, and it's usually at the 2-hour point where judges start to disappear, because I know, as I said, it's late. It's late. Overseas, it's real late, so all right, so we're waiting for one final judge to break the tie. The final judge, do I have to go looking for you? The final judge is, let me see. Let me go through this and make sure. Quasi, we have Quasi in here. No, I think we're waiting for Quasi Gordon 99 to vote. You got the power in your hands to determine. All right, we'll give Quasi another minute, or we gotta replace him and get another judge to make this official. Oh, my bad. I think we just got it. All right, we got it. All right, shout out to Quasi coming through in the clutch. So with that being said, the Metal Man has taken it. The Metal Flip has done it. The Metal Beat has won the race, y'all. So shout out to Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas is going to the finals tonight. But also shout out to Phoenix Flames. You brung the fire. You definitely lived up to your name, Flames. The Bird, the Phoenix, the Flame. Shout out to Phoenix Flame. You definitely did your thing, showed improve. So we respect that. Always dope to have South Africa on the platform, because you always come with fire. Either it's Botswana, either it's South Africa. That whole region is crazy with it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So salute to Phoenix Flames. But Ryno Beat is joining us in the finals tonight. And right about now, we're going to find out who he's going to be battling after